Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this classic Italian shape of pasta that is typical of Apulia, a region of southern Italy. The name comes from their shape. The name itself means small ear, and they do resemble small ears. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, this would be said Orecchiette, Orecchiette. But it'd be fine in English to call them Orecchiette, as long as you do pronounce the CH like a K, not like CH. Do not say Orecchiette or whatever, Orecchiette. Or in Italian, Orecchiette. Give this video a quick like before you go if you found it useful, and here are more videos on how to pronounce all of the classic shapes of pasta, as well as the many pasta sauce names traditional from Italy that we love so much. Here they are. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.